Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. We are here with Nadula hair. This is their newest wig we're going to be installing today. It's called the Bye Bye Knots wig, and I do have her in a body wave style, but let's just get into its lace. Y'all see the knots? Where are the knots? Come on, somebody help me find the knots, because the knots are non-existent. Okay, so they upgraded them to the point where it's pre-bleached, y'all. We don't have to do no work. This is the normal knots vs the Bye Bye Knots, and maybe it's giving straight up scalp. Okay, let's just get into it. So we're going to put her on our head for the first time. And like I said, it's a 7x5. It's not a full lace frontal, so don't get it mixed up, okay? Not a full lace frontal, but it's given, okay? It does come with baby hairs, which is definitely a must-have for us beginners because, you know, if we don't know what you're doing, you got a guideline. But look how this is giving straight up scalp. It's melting, and it's not even laid down yet, okay? Look at that. So let's get into tinting it because, of course, we need it to match our skin tone. I'm just going to go in lightly with my Kiss Tintation spray in the shade light medium brown. And we're going to tint it. But this is just the overall construction of the wig, as you guys can see. And you can wear it glueless if you like, but I just prefer to secure them down. That's just my personal preference. But if you want to rush and you just need something to, you know, throw on, tint that lace and, you know, fix the baby hairs up to your liking, and you ready to go out the door. But this is what it looks like once the lace is tinted, and I'm going to dry it down, and we're going to put it on. Do y'all not see what I'm seeing right now, okay? Not them giving us a pre-plucked unit. Not only that, the knots are bleached. Okay? Like, look at this. Are you not seeing what I'm seeing? Baby, what lace up? The lace is melted. The knots are gone. You can part pretty much where you want. Well, not where you want, because like I said, it's not full lace frontal, but you got room, okay? You can do some deep side parting, which I'm going to do today, but up and close and personal, baby, that looks hecka good. So we're going to do some prepping. I always go in with my wax stick. Like I said, to each his own. I feel like sometimes you do have to customize the wigs a little bit just so they can be to your liking, and I love to hot comb, especially this is a body wave wig. I forgot to mention it's a body wave wig and it's 24 inches. But you do have to go in and just do a little teeny tiny bit of customizations to make it fit to your liking, because I don't really like the baby hairs. You know, I feel like they're just giving us a guideline, you know, so I really love them for that, because especially for our newbies out here. Y'all have it so easy. We did not have it this easy back in the day when installing a wig. But look, y'all getting scalp sent to y'all. But yeah, I'm just going in and do some hot combing, and look at the hairline. I just cannot fathom how good this freaking looks. Okay, but I'm gonna comb out the hairline. I mean the baby hairs, and push them back into the hairline before we secure it. So I push those baby hairs back. I'm about to adhere the wig down using my my EBIN spray, and I'm about to do a couple of layers. Now today the weather wanted to be bipolar and be like 75 outside, so I was dressed for fall, but that's neither here or there. So I did do a little bit more layers than I normally would in the fall, but I did let it dry down until it's tacky. Once it's tacky, I just align it and then use my fingers to press the lace down into my forehead. So for me, with this construction of wig, it's definitely giving me like a closure, like it's a 7x5, so it's giving us like closure vibes, but then this is also giving us like a frontal vibe, because you can also make it look like a frontal, which I normally do anyway. So y'all gonna see me do that in a minute, but I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure everything's laid down. But once again, baby, look, y'all can't tell me nothing. I don't care what nobody says. Look how natural that looks. I cannot get over how freaking good this looks. But I'm going to go ahead and double band. Okay, I use both of the bands that came in the box. And I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. And let's take it off and see what it done did, okay? Yes! Look how... Y'all, that look like a fresh relaxer right there. That looks so freaking good. But y'all just see me pulling out the baby hairs. Or I'm just playing with the hairline. I don't know what I'm about to do. But look at this. I had to come up close because, baby, don't play with it. So, I'm going to do a side part today, okay? So, I'm just going through and hot combing it again. And we're going to do a deep side part because I really want to show you guys that this wig is very versatile as well. You can do a middle part. You can do a left, right. This part is actually on my left side. It is looking like it's on the right because if I told you guys the side based on the video, I was always wrong. So, in reality, it's on my left side. On camera, it's on my right. So, just be mindful. It's always mirrored because I know I done said some lies. But yeah, we're going to do a deep side part. And baby, what lace? At this point, literally what lace? Like, I didn't have to do no bleaching. It just like, I could just go in, install the wig and style it and not have to worry about my knots being shown because they did the work for us. Nadula. Yes. Let me stop. Y'all probably say, girl, if you don't shut up. But I'm trying to, y'all just don't get. That looks so good. That looks so freaking good. But now I'm just going in with some concealer. This is my Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple. And I'm just going in to define the part. Like I said, I want a deep side part. I actually did the part on the other side as well, just so when I do my baby hairs, they can be somewhat even. We're just going to clip this away and do our baby hairs. Now, I just pulled out the baby hairs on the sides. I did. The ones that were in the front, I just pushed them into the hairline and left them up there. As you guys can see, I just pulled out the side pieces. And I'm just taking my flat iron and curling underneath the hair so we can create our swoops. Lately, I've just been going in and spraying my edge brush with got2b glue spray and just molding those baby hairs down. And like I said, I've switched over to this method because it's not giving us like hard uniform mold when it comes to baby hairs. You can actually comb them out and they be light, fluffy, and airy. So I love this method. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna swoop into I like them. So now I'm just doing the baby hair on the side, and look, it looks like it's a full lace frontal, but I kid you not, y'all, it's 7x5. It's not a full lace frontal. Okay, it looks like it, but it's not. Oh, this is what she's giving us. Okay, y'all, I'm so excited. Okay, I love this wig. Okay, I love it. But this is what it looks like without me doing anything to the curls, and it looks so freaking good. Y'all, I cannot stop saying that. I just can't. I think, like, what? But this is the curls, how they look straight out the pack. But, I'm just going to go in and do some curls of my own. It still look good, though. It still look good. We're just going to go in and do some, I forgot what these is called. We're going to do some of these curls. Now, I just take some heat protectant. This is Beyond the Zone heat protectant spray. And then I follow up with my Sebastian Reshaper spray as well, just to protect the hair and also hold the curl. And I'm just going to take a curling wand and curl underneath. And we're going to wrap it. I try to let it sit between 15 to 30 seconds so the wave that I'm going for will hold. But then I'm just going to pull it straight off the curling wand and then comb it straight out. And it's going to make this pretty body wavy texture that I'm obsessed with. If y'all are OGs, y'all know I used to do this in my old videos all the time. While I'm finishing up this, I'm going to just give you guys my overall thoughts of this wig. I'm going to get this wig a 10 out of 10. Now, I do want to say, Nadula, when I put my elastic band on, one of the loops where I hook it in, it actually, it snapped off, so I had to sew it back in. So I was going to dock y'all a point for that, but it's nothing that I can't fix. But just be mindful of that, okay? So, yeah, overall, y'all, I'm going to give this wig a 10 out of mother freaking 10. This wig eats, okay? The Bye Bye Knots wig is a game changer and I am here for it. I'm obsessed. Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut. Come on now, pre-cut too. Everything is literally done for you. This install, however, was done straight out of the pack the same day. I haven't washed or conditioned the hair, none of that. I did get a little bit of shedding during when I went into detangle it for the first time. Detangling, I got a few snags. It wasn't nothing major, but yeah, y'all, I'm obsessed with this wig. However, all the information in regards to her will be listed down in the description section below in case you guys want to check it out for yourself. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.